The National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, on Wednesday has recommended the filing of criminal charges against Vice President Sara Duterte before the Department of Justice, or DOJ. The NBI said that they found sufficient evidence to charge the Vice President with grave threats and inciting to sedition, which stems from controversial statements she made against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Meanwhile, the DOJ said that it has submitted the case to the police of the National Prosecution Service, where it will undergo an intensive evaluation to determine if there is enough evidence to proceed with filing charges against Vice President Duterte.
Nasa DOJ na ang bola ngayon. No? I-determine nila kung magkukondak sila ng preliminary investigation at later i-file ang case sa court. No? Titimbangin ng DOJ kung yung bang aming mga inilatag na ebidensya, yung aming investigation ay sufficient para mag-conduct sila ng preliminary investigation.